In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to delete a Cursor AI account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to cursor.com and then sign into your account that you want to delete. Once from here, it should look something like this. Now from here you'll need to go over to the left hand corner and go over to dashboard over here. Once from here, it should look something like this. And now from here you'll need to go down to the settings tab over here. And once from here, you'll need to scroll down until you'll be able to see more down here, where you'll be able to log out or delete your account. Now from here, you'll simply need to click delete. And then from here, you'll need to type in delete to confirm the deletion of the account. Once from here, you'll simply need to click delete again. And as you can see over here, now it is trying to confirm. And as you can see, sometimes there will be an error. And you can email them for assistance, or you can try again to confirm it. So just click delete again and click delete until it will confirm. From here, you'll be automatically signed out from your account. And from here, you'll be able to either create a new account or log into another account of yours. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!